Hello guys, I am Manan Modi from Amplitrack company, and your company has taken our application for employee location and tracking system. So by that you can mark your particular meeting location visits, and you can also track your kilometers while you are on the field. So this is how your company will further go take giving you the expenses for your kilometers and all the thing. So here you will get the id and password for your particular application. So you will get the id and password on your message box or your on your mail id. On both place you will get your id and password. What you have to do, you have to just go to the play store. Okay, in the play store you have to just click on the you have to just click on the amplitrack option. You have to search for the amplitrack. Once you click on the amplitrack, you can install the application from here. You have to just install the application. Once you install the application, after that you have to click on the amplitrack application, and from here you have to just go to the amplitrack application, and after that you have to click on the login button. You have to enter your mail id, the id and password whichever you accepted on your message box. You have to put that id and password here. You have to just click on the login button. Once you click on the login button, you will be redirected to our home screen. So how you can use the application, how you have to use the application, here I am going to tell you. So first of all, you have to click on this clocking button. In the morning when you are starting your day, you have to click on the clocking button. Okay, after the clocking button you have to click on the start button, and you have to give the permission to us to take your location. So once your location will be marked, our system will mark searching for your gps. Once your gps will be marked, your location will be marked, your starting point will be marked. Okay, so once you can see the mark visit option. It mark visit option means, and this simulation simulate means your tracking will be start. Okay, your tracking has been start. Okay, so once you can go for your particular visit location, whenever you want to go, wherever you want to go, you can go. Our system will automatically detect your kilometers. Okay, once you reach, okay, once just like this, just you have to click on the start button. After that our system will automatically track your location. After that, whenever wherever you want to go, you can go. Just you have to minimize the application. You have to minimize the application. You have to remember one thing. You are not able to clear the application from your recent screen. You have to give the permission to the application for this recent screen option. You can't remove the application from the remove this recent screen. If you remove the application from the recent screen, it will be harm your kilometers tracking. Okay, so you have to give the permission to the application to be in your recent screen. So you are not able to remove the application from the recent screen. You can also lock the application in the recent screen like this. In the recent screen you have an option to lock the application like this. You can lock this also. So this is how you have to use. Once you reach to your visit location or your particular client location, wherever you are meeting or the service is there, you have to just again open the application like this. You have to open the application. Okay, once the application will open, you have to click on the map option. Okay, and after the clicking on the after you reach, you have to click on the mark visit button. Okay, whenever you are leaving the particular meeting location, before the leaving the meeting location or the client location, you have to click on the end visit option, and you have to fill the details. Okay, client details, client phone number, company name, meeting status, remark. You have to all fill all the details. You have to click on the advanced crm option, and you have to select the lead, prospect, done or cancel. Whichever the meeting type is there, you have to select. You have to select the particular reminder on with the particular client. Your next meeting is on the which date. For that date you have to select, you have to set a reminder. You can set now. Okay, you have to select the action button. If you are going for the product sale, then you have to select the product. You have to go for the service, you have to select the service. You have to fill the details like this. You have to fill the details, and you have to click on the reminder date. Okay, okay, you have to click on this saving option. Once you click on the saving option, your all the data will be saved. Okay, and this is how your location will be marked. After that you can also go for your next meeting. For your next meeting you can go. You have to just click minimize the application, and you have to give the permission to the application in the recent screen, and you can go for your second meeting, and again you have to open the application and click on the mark visit button. So this is how you have to use the application. Okay, and mainly those who have a vivo and realme phone, they have to do certain settings. So here is the settings. The person who have a vivo phone, they have to first of all click on this application like this, and they have to go to the app info. Okay, once they go to the app info, they have to go in the battery option. In the battery option, there is the option of battery optimization. You have to search for the AmpliTrack and you have to click on the don't optimize option, and you have to select the dot optimize option and you have to click on the done button. This is the one setting for the Vivo and Realme person. Again, you have to go to the phone setting like this. You have to go to the phone settings, and once you reach to the phone settings, you have to go to the again in the battery, you have to go to the background power consumption management. Here you have to search for the AmpliTrack, and you have to on this particular option, and this is how you have to set up. So for the Vivo and Realme person, this is the last setup. Okay, so this is how you have to use the application. And once you complete your day, in the end of the day, at the night or at the evening, you have to click on the clock out button. Once you click on the clock out button, our system will not taking your kilometers, our system will take your stop taking your locations. Okay, this is how you have to use your application, and you can contact me anytime if you have any doubts.